Hi, it's Chef Taylor again, and now we are in the bakery. So I want to talk to you and show you our gelato machine that came straight from Italy. Now here's the thing with the gelato. Gelato slowly churns in the gelato machine with minimal overrun. Most people don't know what overrun is. It means air is piped into the ice cream. So let's talk about how we're going to do this. There is only 9% butter fat in gelato, so this is just whole milk, straight whole milk, that's it. My other ingredients that I have here is I have sugar, I have dry milk powder, I have corn syrup, I have a little almond extract, and then I have pistachio powder, which is a compound. So the way that we make the gelato is we have to heat it up to 84 degrees. So I'm constantly temping it. I am good. So once it hits 84 degrees, and then what I do is I add the sugar, stir that all in. I add the milk powder, that goes in, stirring it around. The corn syrup or glucose, we call it an invert sugar, that goes in. And then the extract. So once I've mixed all this around, now remember, I had to bring the milk up to 84 degrees. Now I have to bring this up to 182 degrees to make sure that all those ingredients have melted into the milk. This is a state-of-the-art bakery. If you look at this cooktop, it's induction cooktop. Special pans go on top of the cooked surface. It's easier for temperature control. When we're in the bakery, we want to have precise, accurate measurement of the temperature. I can literally put my hand on this and it's not hot, but if I touch the pan is hot. Okay, so this is 182 now. So I'm going to turn my oven off there. Okay, so I'm going to move it off the heat. And then this is an immersion blender. The chefs like to call it a boat motor, but you've all seen these before, the immersion blenders. So the compound now, this pistachio compound goes in and we stir it around. Okay, so now that I used that burr mixer and I mix it around so all of that compound is in there with this pistachio, now it's ready to cool down. So we do have to follow Board of Health regulations. So this was 182 degrees. I need to cool it down to 70 degrees in 2 hours. After the 2 hours, I have 4 hours to bring it down to 41 degrees. So we refrigerate this. We also use ice paddles. This has to cool down to 41 before I put it into the gelato machine. So just kind of moving ahead with things, I do have a batch that is here now. So let me explain the gelato machine to you. This comes straight from Italy. So all I do is I turn it on, I hit the paddle, and then I hit the cooler on it. And then it starts to spin. This machine will shut off when the gelato is perfectly done. It's not like a regular ice cream machine that keeps spinning and spinning and spinning, because remember, we don't want air in it. All right, well, it was very nice doing this demonstration for you, and I'm very excited to see you in the near future, and I hope you come and take some classes with us.